From here we can listen sounds. I won't believe, bro. And notice that it is a protected monument.
Hi guys, this is Shanmukh Shangaon. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show a ancient temple which constructed 1000 years before. So please watch the video till end and don't skip the video. And if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get start the video.
The name of the temple which we are going is Dibbalingeshwara Swami Temple. It was located in Saripalli, which is a village in Nellimarla Mandal of Vijayanagaram district in Andhra Pradesh, India, located on the bank of Champavati river. It belongs to Andhra region, 16 kilometers away from Vijayanagaram railway station complex. From Vijayanagaram complex, if we catch any auto, we can go to this place very easily. The speciality of this temple is the temple of Dibbalingeshwara Swami is constructed between the 7th and 10th century by Kalingas, featuring beautiful sculptures on the temple walls. Here we have to take right and we have to go through this road around 4 kilometers inside for the temple. While traveling through this road, we can find one of the famous temple of this village. The area around this temple is filled with full of mango and kaju farms. So nice, right? Here we can see a board that Government of India Archaeological Survey of India. That means this temple is maintained by Archaeological Department. After passing this board, the temple is around 100 meters away. Finally we are at the Dibbalingeshwara Swami temple. Let's go inside and see. As soon as I entered in the temple, I can experience the fresh air here. Here there is a saying that the temple was constructed 1000 years back by using rocks which are available at that time. Here we can see so many trees, and most important, here it was very peaceful. The things which we are seeing are actually at outside of the temple. To see the temple we have to go somewhat inside, so let's go. This is the temple which constructed 1000 years back. By seeing that temple we can know that. Now let's have a look on this temple. Here on the right side we can notice that it is a protected monument. It is considered as ancient monument and archaeological site. If anybody destroys, injure or remove the monument shall be punished. By seeing this we came to know that this temple have more importance. Beside that there is a well but no water in it. We can see some statues here, and here one Nandi statue is also there. If we go front, here there are planting some plants exactly at the back of the temple. The location of the temple is too good. I swear here we can listen the sound of the wind, and here we can get more peace. Now let's see the temple sculpture thoroughly. We can see the idol of Lord Shiva which is in the rock form. Another important thing of this temple, when we do pradakshina around the temple, at the left side we can see Lord Ganesh. If we see the sculpture on this temple, it says so many stories related to our mythology. The architecture on the rocks was too good. The rocks which been using for construction of the temple are too strong. Here we can see Goddess Lakshmi. Exactly at the top of that Goddess Lakshmi, here we can listen sounds. Nobody don't know from where sounds are coming. If you go forward, we can see Kalika Mata here. If you observe one thing, there are 3 gods around the temple: Lord Ganesh, Goddess Lakshmi, Kalika Mata. Since long time there is a saying here that people do puja in this temple are blessed with knowledge, money and courage, which are characteristics of these gods. In the morning or in evening we can visit this temple. That was the best time to visit. The temple is most preferred by families, couples and students, and festival of this temple was Kartika Masam and Mahashivratri. Now I am out of the temple. I will take you to the Champavati river now. See, this is the Champavati river. Beside that river, there is a Ayurvedic hospital here. We can get medicines from sneeze to cancer in this Ayurvedic hospital. Whenever you visit this temple, don't forget to have an eye on this Ayurvedic hospital.
And I was standing beside this Champa river, and the atmosphere around this was too awesome. And I just love the temple, and in the nearby of the temple we can find this river, and weather was too awesome. And I was pretty guaranteed that if you guys once visit this place, you guys definitely loved it. And that's all for today video, guys. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And this is Shanmukh Shangam signing off.